Hey everyone, happy Easter this weekend. Tomorrow's Good Friday, so if you have all your work done, have a nice 40 weekend. You technically don't have to start on next week's lessons till Tuesday. The lessons will be in Google Classroom. I will try and get them in and posted Sunday if you want to work on them Monday. But our Zoom meetings, for those of you who have permission, will be Wednesday at regular class time since Monday is a no school day. And midterms are supposed to be posted by this weekend, and the midterm ends today, so please get any missing work into me so I can get your grades updated and posted. There are quite a few of you that I know are calving right now, so if you can get your work done, that'd be great. If you are having problems with internet or if you have been super swamped, please shoot me off a text or an email so I know what's going on. And I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and warm. It's supposed to be really blizzardy here this weekend, so I'm going to be hunkered down in the house. I will chat with you hopefully on Wednesday. Have a great weekend, you guys.